Good morning, this is Mike at Sound Investment. Today I'm going to show you a couple tricks on a 2010 Ultra Classic Harley-Davidson. This bike we built a couple years ago. It's got a total of 8 speakers in it. They're all the Cicada standard marine speakers. So not the exotic horn-loaded speakers, just their standard marine rated speaker. So there are 6.5s in the front dash, there are 6.5s in the lowers, 6.5s in the tour pack, and then a pair of 6x9s in the lids. These lids are just standard Metra. Purchase the lid. They're vivid black. They match the bike just fine. We put a sounddigital Evo X 804 in. Nice clean install. But today we had to upgrade the radio. The radio had failed on this motorcycle. So today we're going to install the Diamond mshd9813sg. This radio is a direct fit replacement in these motorcycles. It literally fits directly in the hole. It's a little larger face. It'll give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you get all the modern convenience in your older motorcycle. There are a couple tricks about doing the installation on this. The first one is you have to remove the ignition switch when you install the radio. Ignition switch on this bike, there is a pin right underneath this corner. Rotate the ignition switch all the way over to the lock position. The pin will be right over here. Put your finger underneath it, push the button in, twist the key into the lock position. The ignition switch will come out. After you've done that, you will most likely need to adjust the dashboard. So the dashboard on this, there's a little bit of play forward and aft in it if you loosen the screws. So the screws are located right here on the side of the fork. There are 4 of them, obviously 2 on each side. Loosen those screws. You don't have to take them out, just loosen them. The dashboard will give you about a 1/2 inch forward and back. You need to pull it back as far as it will go, then tighten your screws up. And the reason you do that is you need enough clearance to be able to rotate the ignition switch on the nose of the radio. So the radio does stick out a little bit farther than the old radio, and you need that clearance to do it. But this bike is completely a rider. This gentleman will ride this bike rain, sleet, and snow. So we built this thing so that he could do that. It sounds fantastic with these 8 speakers on it. Like I said, they're all Cicadas, sound digital amp. And here's a little bit of that sound investment music.
Every beat's a journey, every note's a thrill. Cruising with my crew, feeling good, wanna chill. Let the rhythm move you, let the speakers ignite. In the heart of the night, everything feels so right. Bass is pumping hard while the world spins around. In this car audio dream, we're lost but found. Cruising through Columbus, feel that bass collide. Fast audio, let the rhythm be your guide. Ready for the competition, let your speakers roar.
So if you're interested in building a rider, I definitely can take care of that for you. Give us a call. Thank you. Have a nice day.